Hello guys, this is Freda from Sunshine Repair Tools Company. Today I received one farmer phone. He said he failed when he's working and he tried to find other repair masters, but they said the repair cost is too high. So he found me and let me help him. If I do well, please give me a like, okay? Now we already opened it and we can see this phone already repaired by someone else before. And now let's try to test the phone power supply. Now we can see the power already can boot, so let's install a new screen to test the phone. Now let's take off the old broken screen. Now the phone already repaired, and let's test the functions. So we can see it's already finished repaired, and I want to say that the repair is not difficult because we just need to be careful about some small details. The phone has already finished repair, and this time the maintenance fee we give him free because I think every city construction cannot live from the working hard people and their sweat. I hope every effort can get the equal return, and hoping everyone can getting better and better. See you next time. Bye bye.